I have the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to edit photos with AI on this particular phone. So let's go to the Photos app and find a photo to edit. So I'm gonna go to, let me find a photo. So I'll pick this one. So let's go ahead and edit this photo. So what you need to do is tap on the photo to reveal the menu at the bottom and then tap on edit. And then you should see AI editor and tap on that. And then in the AI editor, there are a couple of things you can do. So first is to boost the detail of the photo. So you can tap on that. And then of course, that's going to remove the Pro XDR effects. Tap on got it, agree and continue. Statement of use. So you can see that's going to enhance the image even further. So it's going to maybe make the video a 4K image, or rather making the image a 4K image. So you can see it's going to enhance the clarity and resolution of the photo using AI. So let's just wait for that process to finish up. There you go. So if you want to compare, you can just tap on this. And sometimes the difference is very, very subtle. So I'm not sure you can see that. So if I press and release, it's a very subtle difference. When I press and hold, it shows the original image. And when I release, it shows the edited enhanced image. Okay. So if you like it, you can tap on done. If you don't like it, you can hit the cancel button. So for now, let's hit the cancel button and look at something else. So here we also have the option called AI eraser. So let's tap on that. And of course, it's going to warn you again that this will remove the Pro XDR features. You have to agree and continue to the AI eraser terms of service. Tap on OK. That only happens if it's the first time. Okay. So now what you need to do is choose what to erase. Okay. Now with this option, you can just circle over the object you want to erase. So let's, for instance, erase this person. I'm gonna tap on that and then draw over that person or that object that I want to erase. Once it finishes recognizing that, then it's gonna get erased just like magic. There you go. And then it enhances the image and it's as if that person was never there in that photo. Now another option, let's go and undo that, is to paint over. Okay, so if you want better to do it better, you can do that and then tap on paint over. So you can just come here and paint over this item, and then the AI will try to recognize what exactly you're trying to remove and then do its best to remove it. So let's see what happens here. And as you can see, when you compare the original to what has been painted over, it's not exactly a very flattering image, but of course it works differently in different kinds of photos and scenario. Now for this one, all you have to do is just simply, it's going to try and recognize people. So for instance, it's recognized there's a person here and another one here, and it makes it much, much easier. So this is specifically for people, and all you have to do is remove all. And that's going to remove those people from the photo. There you go. There you go. And then it's going to retouch the photo. There you go. So it works very, very, very well, as you can see. Now, once again, I'm just going to cancel that, discard all changes, so that we can look at something called AI Unblur. So when you take photos, especially with these cameras, which have a very short focal length, there's going to be blurry sections. So if you tap on the Unblur option, after agree and continue, if it's the first time, if you have something that's blurred, it's going to unblur that thing. So for instance, the items that are a bit further away automatically get blurred by the camera. But if you want to have them in focus, you can actually use AI to regenerate those things. Okay, so for instance, you can see this shelf here. Let's compare with the original. You can see it was a bit blurred, but when I release, it becomes a bit in focus. Okay, so that's the unblur function. Now, like I said, these features are not perfect, but they work well. Now, the other thing you can do is to remove reflections. So for instance, you can see we have a reflection here. We have some reflections here. Let's try and use AI to remove those reflections from the photo. So I'm just going to tap on that. Again, you have to agree and continue. Tap OK. And then AI will analyze the photo, try and find reflections, and try to get rid of them from your photo. So let's see what it does. There you go. So you can see we have slightly less reflections. It did do a perfect job. So when you compare, you can see some of the reflections have been removed, but it's still reflective. It helps. Actually, you can notice if I bring it closer, we have a few, the reflections have been reduced slightly, but it works. Okay. So that is basically how you can use AI to edit photos on your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.